ColorOS 11. Make life flow. That's what Oppo calls this ColorOS. How Oppo Android update has improved over the time. Earlier, the wait for Android 9 update was staggering 321 days. That was reduced to 83 days for Android 10 with ColorOS 7 update. This year, Oppo is giving the ColorOS 11 and Android 11 update on the same day, which means now there is no wait at all. That's remarkable. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Santosh. For ColorOS 11, Oppo has collaborated with Google Lens to enhance the experience of the camera and photo album. Further, it is believed that they have worked on custom Google Assistant for Oppo mobile devices. Suppose you have taken a screenshot which reads a foreign language, and Google Lens will translate the text in screenshot instantaneously in your preferred language. You can either partially or fully translate the text on the screen either by partially or fully selecting text for translation. Google has also partnered with Oppo to work on for further innovations. What Oppo has done in ColorOS 11 is that it has given the power to their user to customize the icons, ringtones, wallpapers, what they call it flow or make life flow. The idea behind this UI customization is that to distinguish each phone from others. Customize dark mode color schemes. Oppo user can choose the dark mode in three different tints, that is peach dark, blue dark and grey dark. Customize AOD image. Oppo users can just move their fingers randomly to create a new AOD image. Customize system fonts. Oppo users can customize font size and font weight for better readability. Customize wallpaper and icon with dark mode. Oppo users can customize the wallpaper and icons in correspondence with the dark mode. The wallpapers and icons can be set to change automatically with the time of the day, which means you can have different appearance of wallpaper and icons during the day and after the sunset. So far I have seen that Oppo is trying to involve its users to create or customize something. This is in order to enhance user engagement and user experience. Oppo Relax. Oppo Relax offers you sounds of clock chiming, sounds of nature such as breeze, water and so on. Helps you to mind travel to different spatial dimension. Flex Drop. To make multitasking intuitive and experience rich, Oppo has introduced a Flex Drop. You can either switch the app to a floating window or full screen. Floating window helps you to share your files just by dragging and dropping into another window. This feature will be made available later in October 2020. Quantum Animation Engine 2.0 provides the user with smoother and responsive experience. The user can also feel the visual display. The app don't pop up abruptly but fill the screen with certain transition. Super power saving mode. Oppo claims that even with 5% battery, your mobile gives a standby time of a staggering 12 hours, 1.5 hours and 1 hour for texting and phone call respectively, which is incredible. Oppo is also providing battery guard. What it means is that when you leave your phone charged overnight, ColorOS 11 will slow down the charging and prevents overcharging. At the same time, when you wake up in the morning, your mobile phone will be charged fully. Private system. Oppo has given two modes to separate your personal life from work life. You can switch between these two modes depending on your preferences. While you are on one of these modes, you can choose to receive the notification from only one mode or notification from both the modes. Apart from all this customization, Oppo has optimized RAM utilization by 45%, response rate by 32%, and frame rate stability by 17%. These are some of the enhancements that Oppo has brought to ColorOS users. In my opinion, Oppo has gone a long way where it used to give Android update in a year to give an Android update on the same day of its launch. Also, Oppo has given the power to its users to customize or personalize wallpapers, ringtones, appearance is a big stride forward to show that it cares for its users. Let me know what you think about ColorOS 11 in the comment section. Which of the ColorOS 11 features is your favorite? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please support my channel in the form of likes, shares, and also subscribing to my channel.